I am extremely delighted to know about the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance bringing the corporate film. As I know the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance as a banker for 4 decades, it's an alma mater for all the bankers, and their contribution to the banking industry and through the banking industry to the economy of the country, to the society is immense. In the present context, I would say that where the entire globe is talking about the inclusive growth, and India in particular where the exclusion is much more, when we are having various initiatives toward the financial inclusion, I am extremely happy that Indian Institute of Banking and Finance has played a very big role and is contributing a lot through ensuring the training of the business correspondent agents, training of the recovery agents, and certifying those agents to be an extended arm of the banking industry. Given the country as a whole, which comprises of almost 6,60,000 villages, it's impossible for the banks to reach every nook and corner through a brick and mortar branch, and thus the financial inclusion is the only way using the business correspondent model to reach them. Thus IIBF has contributed extensively towards this activity. I am glad about it. The second part which I would like to bring out is that as the banking industry is growing, there is immense need for the capacity building in the banking industry among its employees. The banking industry has got more than 10 lakh employees working in the country, and thus the constant training and upgrading their training in all fields is very, very essential, and Indian Institute of Banking and Finance is a benchmark, is the agency which is offering the various platforms right from e-learning to the management development programs and various diplomas etc., which the bankers are using. And I am very sure that their contribution to the capacity building of the Indian banking industry will immensely help not only the banking industry but the economy at large.
Anything particular with regard to PMJDY, sir?
Well, PMJDY, to be very frank, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is to be very frank a comprehensive financial inclusion initiative, and all the activities which are being done in the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, like what we did in the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is that we ensured that every household in the country has got a one banking account, and those banking accounts are further extended the credit support. Those people are offered the security products in the shape of insurance called the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Suraksha Yojana, then there is a Atal Pension Yojana, and all these products are reaching these households only through the business correspondent agent, and thus IIBF has helped the banking industry in conducting the trainers training across 23 states so far, and through that the trainers, the individual banks trainers will train the business correspondent agents, and IIBF is conducting the examination on online terminals and certifying those business correspondent agents. So this is what I would say is a contribution towards Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
It's fantastic, sir. But anything else you want to contribute?
Well, in the
expectations, maybe you have been part witness
system
sure,
of sure,
for 4 decades.
Sure. I can say that I have seen Indian Institute of Banking and Finance evolving with the changes and transformation which is happening in the banking industry. But going forward, the banking scenario is going to be much different when you have various players in the banking industry in the shape of payment banks, in the shape of small banks, various e-commerce players, telco players to be part of the payment system. And such a evolving situation, I think IIBF has got a major responsibility to see that they remain contextual all the time, and they provide the knowledge and information to the bankers which will help them in growing forward.